have here resistance structures. These are all supply roof, breakout of a supply roof, retest, and price returns, final retest, and leaving here void. So we are glad on our call yesterday on 2650, 2655, 2660 sell opportunity where I specifically, after having a clear directional bias on the trade, I made that call and the price have come down to fulfill that price action. It feels so good to see that happen. So now we begin to see that price is coming down. To what extent? So we can see here after price made a significant rejection and we have a whole lot of a bearish drop here and look at the volume on one floor. So on technical, I want price selling return here where we look for buy opportunity. So this is the box where I will be setting my trap. So when you see us put buy sell trap, it's actually a money trap. So at this level, price returns here, feel free to try to buy gold again with the hope to make some few gain and possibly sell or hold. So this is what we have, and so this is the structure, and we're going to look at it from multi-dimension. So from the floor, we have our 4 hours ascending trend line. This was our sell confirmation. So after I saw this in my previous post, I made a call to go short. I made a call to go short from 2,646 into 2,650 into 55 and 60. I was specific because of breakout of structure. After price breaking out from an ascending trend line, on technical, what that represents is weakness in buy liquidity. So you don't expect much other than sell off. We have here support structure, support structure, support structure. We already treated this in our previous video. Breakout of structure, price return here on retest, and it's making its way down. But we have some flaws, and the way down is over 1,500 p. So we must follow it critically in line with the price movement. And when we look critically here, we'll find another structure, very strong structure, where I expect buyers to hang for buy opportunity. So you can see the structure at this level. Also another clean structure. We have here support structure, break of a support structure, price returns here. Retested it as a resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, price returns here on a perfect rejection for a buy level, return again on a perfect rejection for a buy level, opening here for sell. Where price continue to sell down, we expect that this place should be watched for a buy. An intraday buy where we look out for few 70, 80 pips buy opportunity. As price dips into this, we try to find more confluence to that buy, where we have a descending trend line from the block, from the bottom or the floor to assist buyers in their quest add more points for the yellow metal. So this is what we have. So from the bottom, we have support structure, support structure. If price dips itself into this place, we should be looking at a swing in price. So a dip into this level, we ultimately want to push price back. Now you see the window is open for a test. A clean window open. the trade is still valid. There's no invalidation of trade, and it can from there now come down to this guy. So it's not going to be an easy drop. It will be a whole lot of dribble, a whole lot of accumulation before finally distributing the sell cash. It will not come easy. It will not come because you want it to come. It will come based on the structure of the market. So this is what we have, and this is how we see markets, and that's how market reacts. So you see it. So that's how market reacts all the time. So from the bottom, let's look if we can get another support structure and my likelihood price, and I think I'll find another break of structure of 4 hours from this structure. We have here support structure, break of a support structure retest, break of a resistance structure retest. So let's expect price to come down here. So our final whistle for sell is break out from this structure. So if price breaks out from the blue line, more like the justice rule, we have here support structure, break of a support structure, retest, a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price came retest, and finally retest. So a final breakout from this structure, we want to see price most likely will come deep itself into this structure where we'll have an ascending trend line from this break of structure, break of a support structure, price returns here to retest a broken resistance structure, and returns here on demand, and I want price to come down into this place of push up. So these are different perspectives, different charts, different brokers, different ideas, different concepts. But the goal is that SAU USD has set itself up for a heavy bearish drop. And we can see it from what price is doing at the moment. Look at what price has done after price came to this zone. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. And I expect similar thing after we tap into this level. So we could be having something like this at this level to complete take profit after price updating the roof. I expect price to update the floor. So on the floor, we we are just a few almost 30% or 40% of the bearish descending channel. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes from here. This is what it is. So let's see if we got